Hi, I'm Dr. Chandler Patton Miranda, Assistant Professor of Education at Malloy University and author of Sanctuary School. I'm thrilled to invite you to our 2026 South by Southwest EDU panel that we're calling Joy and Justice, Reframing Advocacy for Immigrant Education. The current landscape for immigration and multilingual learners is shifting quickly, and too often conversations only focus on crisis, but we're flipping the script. Our panel centers joy, strength, and advocacy that is working in communities and schools across the country. We'll explore how educators, nonprofits, and policy advocates are coming together in grassroots coalitions to push for policies that protect and support immigrant youth while creating schools where students can truly thrive. This session lives at the heart of South by Southwest EDU's policy and advocacy and convergence tracks, bridging education, public policy, and activism to shape a more inclusive future. Whether you're a teacher, school leader, nonprofit strategist, or policymaker, this conversation's for you. I'll be moderating the panel, joined by three incredible leaders. First, Laura Evangelista, Executive Director of the International's Network for Public Schools, a national organization designing schools for immigrant multilingual learners and advocates for policy change at the local and state level. Yasmin Naji, Manager of Education Policy at the New York Immigration Coalition, whose work improves the quality of education for New York's multilingual learners and immigrant student population. Yasmin and her colleagues work to ensure that parents have opportunities to meaningfully engage in their children's education. And finally, Alejandra Vasquez Barr, a fellow at the Century Foundation and co-founder of the National Newcomer Network, a coalition of educators, community leaders, advocates, researchers, and policymakers from across the country committed to improving access to high-quality public education programs and equitable policies and practices for K-12 newcomer students. Together, we'll share stories, strategies, and policy insights that reimagine what's possible. We hope to see you there. Thank you.